The hidden power of hormones, how imbalances impact women's health, perimenopause and menopause. Did you know that hormonal imbalance could be the reason behind unexplained weight gain, anxiety, brain fog, or even sleep disturbances? Most women experience hormonal shifts, but very few realize how much they affect their overall health. Today, I wanted to thank first the ladies who left a comment and those who emailed me requesting this video. In today's video, I want to tell you more about hormones, and I know this will really help you. I'm going to explain the crucial role of hormones in women's health and how imbalances, especially during perimenopause and menopause, can impact energy levels, metabolism, and emotional well-being. Let's get started. Estrogen is a multifunctional regulator that affects nearly every system in the body. It plays a critical role in reproductive health. Estrogen initiates and controls the menstrual cycle, triggering ovulation and preparing the uterus for potential pregnancy. Puberty. It's responsible for breast development, hip widening, and fat distribution that occurs during puberty. Bone health. Estrogen helps maintain bone density by regulating osteoclast activity, which are cells that break down bone tissue. Low estrogen increases the risk of osteoporosis. Cardiovascular system. It modulates cholesterol by increasing HDL, the good cholesterol, and lowering LDL, the bad cholesterol, reducing the risk of heart disease. Neurological function. Estrogen enhances cognitive function and mood stabilization by influencing neurotransmitter activity, particularly serotonin and dopamine. Estrogen exists in three major forms, each serving unique functions. Estradiol, the most potent estrogen dominant during reproductive years, primarily produced in the ovaries. It regulates fertility, bone density, and neurological health. Estrone, the primary estrogen after menopause stored in fat tissue. While less active than estradiol, estrone still plays a role in maintaining postmenopausal health. Estriol, the least potent estrogen mainly present during pregnancy. It supports fetal development by improving blood flow to the placenta. Progesterone works alongside estrogen to maintain reproductive health and hormonal stability. Unlike estrogen, which stimulates growth, progesterone's role is regulatory and protective. It prepares the uterus for pregnancy. After ovulation, progesterone thickens the uterine lining, ensuring optimal conditions for implementation. It supports pregnancy. If fertilization occurs, progesterone keeps the uterine muscles relaxed, preventing contractions that could lead to miscarriage. It prepares the breast for lactation, stimulates development of milk-producing glands during pregnancy. It balances estrogen. Without sufficient progesterone, estrogen levels can become excessive, leading to hormonal dominance. It influences mood and sleep. It acts as a natural sedative, promoting calmness and better sleep quality. Chronic stress can cause high cortisol levels, which disrupt estrogen and progesterone balance, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and mood swings. These hormones influence energy levels and metabolism, that is to say, they determine how fast or slow your body burns calories and digestion speed. Hormones fluctuate dramatically during perimenopause, the years leading up to menopause. While estrogen and progesterone levels increase or drop, they cause imbalances. When estrogen dominates, the body experiences symptoms such as heavy or irregular periods, weight gain, bloating, and fluid retention, fibrocystic breast, benign lumps, mood swings, and fatigue, increased cancer risk in breast and uterine cancers. Excess progesterone can cause fatigue and sluggishness, reduced libido, changes in menstrual cycle length, This is what happens when estrogen is too low, which is common in menopause. Hot flashes and night sweats, vaginal dryness and discomfort during intercourse, loss of bone density and higher risk of fractures, brain fog and decreased cognitive sharpness. And when progesterone is too low, it leads to irregular cycles and skipped periods, difficulty conceiving, mood swings, anxiety, and sleep disturbances, increased estrogen dominant symptoms. My hormone imbalance led to irregular periods and heavy bleeding. You can find out more in my very first video where I explain what happened and my stay in hospital. Regaining hormonal balance is key for well-being. Here's how. Nutrition for hormonal health. Eat phytoestrogen found in flaxseed, soy, and nuts to support estrogen balance. Increase healthy fat for hormone production like avocado and omega-3s. Keep blood sugar stable with fiber-rich foods and lean proteins. Exercise and lifestyle adjustments. Strength training and moderate exercise regulate hormones and prevent weight gain. Mindful stress reduction, like meditation and deep breathing, lowers cortisol levels. Sleep and recovery. Poor sleep increases cortisol and disrupts estrogen, so aim for quality rest. Cut down on screen time before bed to improve sleep cycles. Medical interventions. If symptoms become overwhelming, hormone therapy, supplement, and testing can help restore balance. Work with a healthcare provider to assess hormone levels and get targeted solutions. Think of estrogen and progesterone as a yin-yang relationship. They counterbalance each other. If estrogen dominates, it leads to weight gain, mood swings, and even an increased cancer risk. If progesterone is too low, cycles become irregular and fertility can be affected. During perimenopause, estrogen fluctuates unpredictably, while progesterone often declines steadily, resulting in many classic menopause symptoms like brain fog, fatigue, and mood instability. Thank you for watching. Share this video, it might be just the support another woman needs today. Your heart deserves care at every stage of life. If today's video helped you understand the link between menopause and hormones, don't stop here. Subscribe to our Peak Menopause newsletter for expert-backed strategies. Want more on this? Drop heart in the comments and I will create a deep dive just for you. And don't forget, your next must-watch video is right here. Click it now and stay informed.